Hey guys, it's Marie with WTI. I really wanted my skin to be brighter. So when I got this Spa Life vitamin C serum, it helped tremendously. To use it, all you have to do is first wash your face, give it a clean surface, open the serum. It has a really awesome dropper. You only need 2 or 3 drops to cover your whole face. It feels so good. You can just rub it in, moisturize it, and there you go. I love how big the bottle is. So many applications. And 2 or 3 drops may not seem like a lot, but this is 1 drop, and just look how nice and oily and bright it makes my skin. So if you are looking for something to maybe brighten your skin, tone it a little bit, if you're looking for something that is definitely high quality, I would highly, highly recommend Spa Life Vitamin C Serum for sure. I love it, and so does my skin, and that's my point of view.